All right, day 2 of wall building, Pioneer Cabin. Nick and Brandon up here today.
What's up?
They will be famous someday on YouTube. Beautiful day today, but it's going to be warm by mid-afternoon, so we're going to bust as much of the physical stuff as we can out here early in the morning. Last log's going up. It's a wonderful feeling. We actually checked the top logs and everything is perfectly level. I'm not sure how that happened. That was all God. Sure it wasn't us. So it took us 2.5 days work to get all the logs up, but man, we're in good shape now. Almost time for the cross logs. And then the roof. Good deal. All the walls are done in the Pioneer Cabin. Boy, what a great feeling. Guys have been busting their butts. So, out for a little playtime. Beautiful day for kayaking. It's about 75 degrees today and it's just been gorgeous. The sun's starting to come around now. We've got this wonderful birch tree. It blocks out all the sun for the first half of the day. Once it comes around, it gets really hot at this spot, but Nick and Brandon are going out to try to find the loons. I'm probably gonna moose hunting. I'm gonna jump in the lake here in a little bit. It's getting hot. So really sore, but man, what a long way we've come just for a couple weeks, and more than half of that time we've been back at the lodge just trying to get things up in operation and balancing out everything that's happening with COVID during the pandemic. Has been a really challenging year, but we've had some times like right now to really look at what we have and to enjoy where we are, and it truly is a blessing. Thank you, God. Thank you, Alaska. Okay, whew. We're just stripped the bark to this tree we cut down the other day and just raising the first second story floor joist, or roof truss, I guess, if you will. So we're just going to put it on center here so we can tie the sidewalls together. A spike from this log down into the sidewalls. You can see just because of the windows and everything, this wall is a little bit flimsy, so we're going to get it plumb and then stick a spike in that log that's going to run across the top, and then every 24 inches on either side of the center log we'll put another log, and then eventually when we get the rafters up here, rafters will run up to the peak, and then we're going to leg them in to these trusses. So it should be good and strong, square, and we'll be able to put plywood on that second level, which will give us a nice high deck to be able to put up the rafters, make it super easy. good.